Hello everybody, Beaton here and welcome back to another past paper practice video. In this video, we'll be tackling some CSEC multiple choice type questions. So let's head straight into the first question. So this one says, in the right angle triangle above, which trigonometric ratio is equal to 4/8? So we have the triangle here, we have an angle X and we have angle Y. So we gotta decide which one we'll use the trig ratios for. So we know the trig ratios are some old horses can always hear their owners approach. So let's deal with angle X first. So we see for angle X, here is the opposite. And here will always be the hypotenuse. So let's see. So which one has the opposite and the hypotenuse? 4/8. So for angle X, we can say sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. In this case, you see theta will be replaced with x. So we can say sine x is equal to the opposite, which is 4, over the hypotenuse, which is 8. So we see the ratio that is equal to 4/8 would be sine x, which is 8. So this question says, in the diagram above, AB is parallel to EC. So these two lines are parallel, and this is also indicated by these two symbols. So the value of BDE is, so BDE would be here, would be this angle here. So they want the value of that angle. So since these two lines are parallel, we see a Z being formed here. So if here is 40, because of this Z, here will be 40 as well. So in order to find for angle BDE, it will simply be 180 subtract 40. So 180 subtract 40 would be 140 degrees, which is nice and easy, D. So the next one says, what is the image of the line y equal x when it is rotated anti-clockwise about the origin through an angle of 90 degrees? So they want the image of this line when it's rotated 90 degrees clockwise. So 90 degrees clockwise would be something like this. So we see this line will be, it's not definitely not y equals 0, definitely not y equal x. Definitely cannot be the same line. So the answer is, by virtue of elimination, it's D, y equal -x. And the next question says, the image below shows the diagram of an isosceles triangle. In the triangle, the value of x is, so they want the value of x. So we're talking about an isosceles triangle. And we know for an isosceles triangle, the two sides are equal and also two angles are equal. So these two sides here are equal, and also you know these two angles are equal. So if here is equal to 30, that means here will also be equal to 30 degrees. So to find for angle x, we add up this angle here and this angle. And then we subtract it from 180 because we know the total sum of angles in a triangle is 180. So we add 30 and 30. So 30 plus 30 will give me 60. And I subtract this from 180. So 180 minus 60 would give me 120 degrees. So I know angle x has a value of 120 degrees, which is C. And with that, this has brought me to the end of this video in which I tackled some multiple choice CSEC, multiple choice type questions on the geometry and trigonometry. So I trust that this video brought some clarity on some concepts in geometry and trigonometry. And I'll see you in the next video in which I'll be looking at some more question types like these. So keep practicing and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.